Hey y'all, gluing up some handles last night. Got home late from work, gotta glue some up. There's some motors that are going out. Got them all cured up. That's an antler. You can't see that side, but it'll look like that. Gonna line up nicely. But show you these other two. This is mammoth bark. But I learned something new. Well, these Harbor Freight clamps. Let me show y'all what I figured out. Let's see here. Y'all can see this. Anyway, so what you do, you take a lame on your anvil. Then throw them in the dang trash. The things ain't worth pissing on. But that's Harbor Freight for you. Don't buy them things. They ain't worth it. So see y'all. Alright y'all. I ain't satisfied with that. I gotta hit it a couple more times, maybe use a real hammer instead of a mallet. Let's put some safety protection on. Feel better about that. See y'all.